Hey there, did you know that simple triangle tool plays a big role in a maritime hull? In plane mensuration, triangle help us calculate areas and distance. At sea, we form triangle to find our exact position through triangulation. Using formulas like 1/2 base time height or Heron's formula, we measure space even when we can't directly access it. Whether it's navigation or ship design, this triangle help isn't just for school, it's a tool that navigates us safely and precisely.
Hi, today let's talk about rectangle mensuration. Using a rectangular pool as example, as you can see at my side, pool have a length and width, and this is the length and this is the width. Our rectangle is a four side, and opposite angle are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. This pool, rectangle has a length and width. To find the area, we multiply length times width. That tells us how much area in the surface. Example, like 10 meters by 5 meters equal to 50 square meters. In maritime, we use this to measure like cargo hold, deck, or water tank. That helps us to plan and use space wisely. So next time, if you can see a swimming pool, remember, it's not just a swimming pool, it's mensuration in life.
Hi there! You know what shape this is? This is a sphere. It might look simple, but this is one of the most important shapes in solid mensuration. It has no edges, no corner, and just one smooth curved surface. Now, why is this important in the maritime world? Well, spheres are used in buoys to keep them afloat and remain stable during rough seas. So, let me tell you a thing. This shape isn't just math, but instead, it's a key part of life at sea.
This is a cube, right? But in solid mensuration, it's a powerful tool, especially in maritime industries. A cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And to find its volume, we use V equals S squared. In shaping, containers are often cube shaped. Knowing their value helps us calculate weight distribution, cargo capacity, and stability at sea. So whether it's cargo planning or floating design, this itongay plays a big role in maritime operations.
Ever wonder how simple shape like this cone connects math and real-life seamanship? Let me show you how solid mensuration comes alive at sea. So a cone has a circular base and a pointed tip called the apex. Its volume is calculated using volume is equal to 1/3 times pi times radius squared times height, where r represents the radius and h represents the height. You see this shape in a conical buoy marking the starboard side of a channel when returning to port. Its size and shape affects how it floats and stays stable in the water. From buoy to navigation signal, a cone proves that geometry isn't just about math. It's part of safe and smart seamanship.
Dito mo over there.
Next time.
use and